Hello. Whoa. I know yesterday we didn't have luck, but maybe today we'll have. Oh, where's the furnace? I need coal. Because I don't have. I'll just pick them up and we'll probably go with the older furnace to get the coal, but I don't know where that supposed to be. Somewhere here because it's not here. Why is it so hard to break a furnace? What? Oh, there's no furnace. So where's the furnace? Because I can see it. Someone knows where's the furnace because I don't. Really. This is very risky. I can't eat it. Why? I don't know why I couldn't eat it. Damn. Yes, hit water. Oh, go. Not right now. First, let's find the furnace. Should it be somewhere over here? Okay, first let's find this. Don't think you will get the materials for me. No, it does. Here, pickaxe, forces, crafting bench. Now, for the stick, pickaxe. There we go. Good. Let's go now mine some coal. Get a furnace there. Okay. So today we tried mine diamonds, but first we need a furnace and get some iron. Because I can't find the pickaxe. Okay, I don't know why. Very weird. First, let's put in the crafting bench. And now, let's see if I. No. Okay. Let's see if furnace. Put this back. Put this here. Iron. Coal. Good. Now mine this up. And some minutes we should have our ingots and we could grab. I would love to go exploring because you know what happened at the time. Nothing. Let's go back. Oh, should we get there? Oh, we go. Good. Iron. Okay, let's go up. Put back the iron ore and did craft it. Oh, 4 ingots. Put it back. Should have some iron in next time, some chickens. Oh, secret passage. Let's go. Yup. On this. Oh, that was such a risky parkour. It's done. Let's put down the coal and this up. Good. Now we can go to the surface because I have a lot of blocks. See? Oh, first, let's make the pickaxe. Now let's get to the surface. Iron. So every item I lose, I get it back because every cobblestone I place, I get it back because because I mined it up because I need to go up now to get all things, because I don't think a mine shaft for some diamonds. I don't think, but we not go get our save diamonds right now. We don't need it right now. I am on the surface, I think. I think I'm on the surface. What is it? It's obsidian. Let's put a torch. See what is this. Put this up. Oh, this is a gacha. Yes. Let's make this up. Is back. Good. But I don't think I'm in the right part of the world. Should I mine some oak? Let's see. I'll mine some. The axe is very good for trees. And the let's make a shear. Have enough. Instead of this, let's drop this. Good. Bring this up. Good. And let's mine some more wood to have it log. Okay, yes, 64. Yes, 64. Good. We don't need oak anymore because we have full oak. And another package of full, not full oak, but 20 oak and 64. I think 80 is enough. And it's 80 already. So let's mine this coal because I need iron ingots. Good. Whoa. So in the next video I will show you how to make a craft, because I made a craft and I want to show it to you and you can see it. Whoa. Good. I'll end the recording soon. Because yeah, should I risk it? Nah. Oh, you don't need a black dye because Zinxa gives you black dye. You probably know that if you watch my series. By the way, this is the video if you watch it. For now. So I don't know, should I get back in the cave? What should I do? Okay, I will try. And I have enough cobblestone, and if I find, I'm very lucky with the mine shaft those days. I don't know why. find a lot of mine shafts. Oh, não clica